Good morning, folks. This is Zuma from Sydney, Australia, in my little humble abode in the inner west. I call myself the ultimate MLM junkie, and you'll understand why, especially those people in the Goji world. I used to be buying one MLM program and another until I discovered the secrets of internet marketing. You people the Goji industry, because the internet is now incredible as an incredible source of generating leads. No longer do you have to use the 3-foot rule and get your friends and families into your Goji business. You can actually capture leads, uh, what Mike Dillard would call magnetic sponsoring, that are actually interested in your program. The best part of it is I can teach you people in the Goji world how to capture free leads using Web 2.0 technology. Enroll in my free internet course. It's free, people in Goji world. Free course, people in Goji world. It's called topmlmdog.info. I repeat, topmlmdog call info. And I look forward to meeting and talking to you. Once again, adios. The Zuma, the ultimate MLM junkie, speaking from Sydney, Australia. Bye.